good morning. Today we're going out fishing. We're going out canal hopping today. I don't really have a specific fish to target, to be honest with you. We're just gonna go ahead to different spots and new spots that we know about, and we're gonna go ahead and see what we can pull out today. I know it's a couple of new subscribers that joined the family. I want to thank you guys for joining the family. I want to thank you guys for coming on this adventure with us, and I want to thank you guys for watching the videos, leaving your likes and comments, leaving your thoughts. I really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, like I said, I'm with Ralph. It's just Ralph fishing. Let me turn the camera on you.
What's going on, people?
What's going on, people? All right, so we're with Ralph. We got E. Today, we came to a different bait store. As you can see, we stopped at Fisherman's One Stop. Why did we come here? Why didn't we go to the regular bait store we always go to? Today is Wednesday, and 90% of the stores that sell live bait are out of shiners. Everybody gets their shiners tomorrow. The guy's gonna come into town. I believe he's coming from Orlando. He's gonna come to every shop in Broward and drop off a big pack of shiners to every store. So, like I said, we came here today only because our normal bait store doesn't have any bait. They didn't answer the phone. We went there. As soon as we walked in, no bait. So we ended up here. Now, we're in Fort Lauderdale right now. We're closer to the beach. This is not the area we want to be in. So we got to take another 30-minute drive back down that way. Yeah, down that way to the building.
Yeah, down that way.
So, like I said, we came here. We're at Fisherman's One Stop. This is not our regular bait store, but however, they do have good quality bait. If you guys are in the area and you guys just so happen to need bait, saltwater or freshwater bait, you guys can stop here. It's actually down south. What? Y'all see this big thing? What? Look how big this thing is. Bro.
Great, bro.
What? A double up? Ooh. Bro.
What the fuck? He the cheater, he the fish stealer. All he gonna do is come up next to
Bro, get out of here with that little peacock, bro.
Nah, that's supposed to be
Nah,
right
bro,
there.
that thing is big, bro.
Ralph would not have done that if it wasn't for me.
Yo, that thing is big. Bro, go ahead, let him go, man. We're gonna let this one go. Dang, this thing big though. That's like what? Like a 4 or 5? Like a 5?
I say like 5.
All I heard is Bash, I got a big one. Bash, I got a big one. What? Hold that boy up. Oh, ooh. Look at him. Look at him. Can't even grip him. He's so big. What?
That's how I always hold the.
Woo! That boy hit him one. Nigga, if you drop this fish one more time.
I ain't gonna lie.
Gills, bro. Gills. There we go. Big Pete. Nice fish, my dude. Let's go ahead and get a solid release on him. Ooh, that thing is huge. So this is where they at, huh?
I ain't telling you the cans no more. Fish on your own.
What? Look how big that thing is. And Ralph dropped him on his head like 50 times.
Man, that's not my fault. That was his fault.
Bro, you there? I ain't catch a fish yet. So y'all got me messed up. I'm gonna catch something today.
Go for the bigger one on the right.
My friend is my first catch of the day. Hopefully it won't be my last. Nice green iguana. It's a pregnant female. Bro, this thing is so heavy, bro. Feel her belly. This thing is loaded with eggs. But as you can see, she was pretty good to us, so we're gonna go ahead and let her go. See, female, no femoral porn. Eat it. He's trying to eat it. Oh, he got it. Stick him. Look at that, baby. Look how skinny this bass was. He tried so hard, but he's so skinny. Look, perfect hook set right at this fish is so skinny. He tried his hardest to eat this fish. I'm gonna do him a favor and go ahead and drop a free meal in his mouth for him and send him right there on his way.
Ooh, snakehead. That looks like a big one. He got a big mama. Damn.
I don't even want to flip this. The line's gonna pop.
Oh. Yep. I told you. I told you.
Oh, got him. Got him. Double up from across the lake. Hold that thing up.
Like always, bigger but better.
Mine's is brighter.
Only.
Wow, you
Mine's
got
more
some
legendary. You know, I caught him on a bear hook. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That on a bear hook. Look, he just got slapped by his monster.
At least mine is long enough to slap me.
He can slap me too if he jump high enough. All right, y'all. We're gonna go continue to get some more fish. Here's the release. Woo. 8. That was crazy. Where's the other piece? Oh, he's right here. He's right here. He's right here. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, there we go, Ralph. There we go. Oh, I think I just got 8. Dang, come on. Are you serious? Oh, he's sinking. He's sinking. He's sinking. He's sinking. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Woohoo! Oh, no, 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 no. That's what I'm trying to do to me. There we go, baby. Another piece for the day. Perfect hook set right at the top of the mouth. All these peas are just about the same size.
Oh.
You about to hit? You about to hit?
Got
Oh,
him.
he got him.
Got him.
Stick him.
Got the double up.
Stick him. There we go, baby. Oh, he's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Woo, flip or die, flip or die.
Woo.
Here we go. And that is the second. Woo, it's hot out here. The second double up. And once again, his fish is still bigger than mine. Once again, my peacock is brighter.
Mine got better colors.
There's the release. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Rolling.
Take 2.
You rolling?
Yeah.
Where is it? Still the same spot?
Yeah.
Oh, he got it.
No,
Nope.
wait. Set it. Oh.
Oh,
You got
shit.
him. You got him. Right?
Wait, my drag. Alright, come on. Yo! Do you see that? Look how he was hooked. Yo, he did all that just to get hooked like this. Oh.
Is that how you initially hooked them, or did it come out?
No, bro, didn't he eat it? He ate it.
Yeah, he ate it.
He ate it. Oh my God.
Or maybe he slightly ate it and.
You don't know what this peacock just did to himself. This is not the same one I caught. No holes in his lip.
There's one over there.
That's the one that I was gonna go for. And I should just pop.
Get them.
Hooked right there by the base of the tail. All right, bro. That was the most aggressive peacock. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna catch him, watch. Oh! He smashed that shit. Come on. Let me get this on camera. Got it? Can you really see this on camera?
Yes, you can.
Get the head in there, get the head. Oh! Yo, blood!
Yo! He's eating it. Yo, he's eating it.